Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to download CapCut for Windows. For downloading, you have to search CapCut for free download. Then you have to click the second link, free professional desktop, not the sponsored link. Click it, free desktop video editor. Now you have to download Windows option. Then after downloading, right click and show in folder. You have to run it, then it will be installed. I am going to show you second step from Microsoft Store. It is safer than the Chrome. For downloading from Microsoft Store, you have to search CapCut, then select. Then you have to select install. Now you are seeing that it's downloading. It is safer than Chrome, so I was starting from here. It's a 629.6 megabyte file. I use 262 MB. I will download it.
Yeah.
Start installation. installed. After installed, you have to search from your search bar CapCut. Then you have to pin it to start bar, start menu and text bar. Then you can open it from your text bar. Double click on it. It will test your graphics driver and graphic card. You are seeing that your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Confirm. Here you can create new project from here. I will be give step by step video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.